Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In today's video, I'll be making a shirt. I'll be using two different types of vinyl. I'll be using the metallic pearlescent heat transfer vinyl. This one comes in 14 different colors. It comes in 12 by 5 feet or 12 by 82 feet rolls. I'll be using this beautiful gold acorn, this beautiful matte fuchsia, and this beautiful iris purple. These are durable and lightweight HTV vinyls, long-lasting pearlescent finish, and they come in 14 different colors. And I'll also be working with glow-in-the-dark heat transfer vinyl in white. There's 6 different color options. These come in 10 by 5 and 10 by 82 rolls. And now let's head over to Design Space. Click on New Project, click on Blank Canvas, and click on Upload. Once you're there, click on the image you'd like to create. If you don't find it, click on View All. I'll be clicking on this last image I uploaded to Design Space. Click on Add to Canvas. Once the image is uploaded, you can now change the size. Go up here and change the size. Otherwise, you can go directly to the image and pull on it on the side or on the corner and make your image bigger. My shirt's gonna be an extra large, so I normally like to make my size up to 9 inches big. To send this image to make, I first need to change a couple of things. I'll be clicking on Group. I'll be changing the color of the hair, just to have an idea of how it's going to look with the vinyl I'll be using. And for the I Smell Children part, this is all ungrouped, so I just need to attach all of it. That'll make it easier when cutting my design. I'll head over to the panel and I'll hide these 3, and I'll just highlight all of this and attach it. Once I'm done, I'll bring back the images, and there you have it. So now let's go click on Make. Here you can save it as a project. I'll choose not to. Let's choose to work on a mat, 12 by 12. Click on Confirm, and here we have our mats. Everything looks perfect. And as you can see, we need 4 different color vinyls. Let's click on Continue. And now it's time to cut the vinyl to size. Make sure to always cut the vinyl to the proper size. This way you don't waste any vinyl. And here it is, all cut. Let's place it on a mat. I'll be using this Teckwrap mat. Make sure to place shiny side down. And now we want to set base material. I'll be clicking on Everyday Iron On. This will automatically turn on the feature of mirror. And once that's done, let's just start cutting our vinyl. Make sure to put in each color as it appears on Design Space. Otherwise, you'll cut your pieces in the wrong color. And once you have the vinyl all cut, start weeding. I'll be using this pin pen from Teckwrap, which is my favorite. Start by poking on a corner and pulling your vinyl upwards. Be very careful, you don't want to ruin your vinyl. This vinyl is a little bit thick, but it's very easy to weed. Sometimes if you pull on it too strong, you can rip the vinyl, so be very careful. I gotta say, this weeds just like butter. And we're all done. Now we need to weed the inside of the letters. I can't wait to see how this turns out. This font is beautiful. And now let's do these other colors. This is the pearlescent vinyl. This is very smooth to weed. So easy. I've used this vinyl before and I really love it. I can surely say this is one of my favorite vinyls to use. I always love the result of this vinyl. All right, all set. Now let's head over to the heat press. I'll be pressing the shirt in 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds since I'll be layering this vinyl. You don't want to overheat the vinyl. I'll start off by taking the moisture out of the shirt by pressing it a couple of seconds. Here you see me creating a guideline and bringing it upwards. This will help me when placing my design. This helps me center the design much better. So I'll press a couple of seconds, remove the shirt, and there we have our guideline in the middle. Now let's lint roll the shirt. I'll be using a shirt ruler to measure 3 fingers down so I know where to place my design. If you don't have one, just measure with 3 fingers, count 3 fingers down, and that's where you should be placing your design. Now this design should go lower since I have 3 designs that are going to go on the top part. So I'll be placing those on the top, measuring and placing the next one, measuring and placing the last one. And that's where I think my designs need to go. But I'll make sure by using a ruler to know exactly if it's centered. And once you're sure, you can start pressing your shirt. I'll be pressing these 3 together. Always when pressing, make sure not to overlap your designs. Otherwise, you can ruin your shirt or ruin the design. Once this cools down, you can start removing the carrier sheet off of the vinyl that's on the shirt. Make sure not to pull too hard. Make sure to peel on cold. And there we have it. No issues whatsoever. This looks beautiful. I love the color combination. Now I'll just lint roll the shirt. And lastly, I'll place this on my shirt. Make sure to measure on the sides to make sure it's centered. So you can see me measuring on both sides to make sure, and once I'm sure, I'll place a parchment paper over and start pressing. And all right, now remove. Very careful, although you see here very fast. I have this on fast mode, but I'm doing it very careful. Remove the carrier sheet. And sometimes you can roll the carrier sheet on top of the other one to help you take it off. And there you have it. Let's give it a 2-second press. And there you have it. Looks beautiful. And as mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is glow in the dark. So let's see if this glows. Lights off. And there you have it. Glows in the dark beautifully. And if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.